Well, I thought the goal was to get them back to their mother. I hope they'll be okay. There's.
No, they're separated from their mom. Separated from their mom.
Oh, he's trying to save the duck, baby duck.
Oh, we shouldn't come and tell everybody to get back in the house.
Oh, wow.
Oh, so this.
Oh, yeah. So this. I was enjoying it. I was too. And then I was reminded of like the situation that we're in.
So, you're just walking by, you saw them in there, you decided they should be on the other side of this barrier, right? Is that what happened?
Yeah, because they were like really struggling to get on the other side.
I see.
And the mommy was on
Now here are two over here in the corner. They're really kind of calm. Take your time though. Oh, is there maybe there's a drain there and they go in it? That would be great. I mean, to get to the other side.
Got it. You got him, bro. You got both of them.
Nice. Hang on.
Yay, perfect.
Nice.
How many was that all together?
2. There's one more.
Oh, I thought there was more. Okay.
You got 3 of them, but you should have put them up way over there so they know where'd they go.
Oh, there are the parents there. Look, that's the parents right there. I think.
They're going
Did you
the
know
wrong
that
way
already?
though.
But they'll find each other. I didn't know the parents were so close by.
Well, we just were assuming that. I don't
Can
know.
I pass
Oh,
by
go
you
ahead.
there?
Sorry.
I'm sorry. Miss, can I pass by you too?
Oh, of course.
That's the one that would survive though in normal nature though, because that's the one that actually can stay away and knows, you know, the other ones they would have been caught by animals. That's the smart one, even though
Which one
it's
is that?
not
What's
smart.
his name?
Just I don't know, but that one right there, he can't catch him. But it sucks for him.
Oh,
but
I see
really,
what you
that's
mean.
the smart one. Honestly,
I understand what you mean.
in nature, that's what would actually save him.
Well, today we're going to save him. We're not leaving
Of
until we're
course,
done.
of course.
Yeah.
Nice.
Because look at the parents right there. They're trying to get back to him, I think.
Yeah, they are.
The one with the green head, that's the male
That's the
guy,
father,
by
right?
the way. Yeah. And he's going to go back in that same corner where you get stuck at. So that would be good. Okay, what's happening here is there were 3 baby ducks trapped from their parents who were out in the lake looking for them. And we got 2 of them out, and 1 is still here, and we're working on that one. Look at it. That has to be, I don't know how old that is, but it's really young, I think. You hear the little whistle? He's headed to the corner. He's in the corner. Yeah, oh, right. He's in the perfect spot. Karate Kid, move in, man, move in. He ain't going nowhere.
Is he trying to catch it?
Oh yeah, we're gonna put it over that. The mother is out there looking for it. He's trapped inside of this thing. You see that? Oh, he got it.
Oh my God! Hero! Oh man, you're awesome! You're awesome! What patience that takes! What a good person you are!
Yes, you are.
Good job, guys.
Good for you! Thank you!
Hey, amigo.
Thank you, thank you.
You're a hero!
Yeah.